What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today is the 4th of July. We out here hanging out with the fam. She's busy. Anyways, she's making stuff and things. K6 is on his way over. We're gonna barbecue, hang out, chill in the pool. But we have a surprise for Kenny, and that's gonna be interesting to see. We made this whole little puzzle or riddle thing. So if you guys don't know, K6 retired from the Coast Guard after 20 years. So that's a big thing. So we decided to do something. I got him a little gift, and Kenny, if you're watching this, you're welcome.
You got him a little gift? Okay,
it was her idea. I'll put this in here, then I'll cut it out later. So she thinks this is going in the video, but oh, it's going in the video. It's going in the video. Anyways, yeah. So you know what's up? Let's go. Kenny's here. We're gonna go ahead and start with this thing that we were talking about. So go ahead and open that up.
I'm scared.
You should be. Oh, we're gonna have
the coronavirus inside?
Yeah.
Alright. Congratulations on starting. Oh, who's cutting onions in here?
I'm not crying, you're crying.
I'm not crying, you're crying. Riddle number 1. I open and close, and food I divulge. I house your eggs, milk, and cheese, and I keep them cold, but I promise they won't freeze. What am I?
It's your first clue, man. That's
well, let's take a beer and get started. What's that little Blues Clues song? Blues Clues.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Well, we're talking about eggs and cheese and milk. Although milk doesn't go in that drawer, so I'm gonna go in the fridge. I'm scared.
It's so messy in there.
Well, let's see.
More Post-it notes.
Oh, I'm looking for. Okay, cool. Oh wait, here we go. Here's something. I found it. I found it. You found me. Riddle number 2. 1,000 of wheels, but move I do not. Call me what I am. Call me a lot. What am I? 1,000 wheels, but I. Let me. 1,000 of wheels, but move I do not. I know what it is. What has wheels and doesn't move? The 675.
Oh!
It wasn't the 675. It's the 750.
Close up. You made it out here.
Yeah.
Expecting that.
All right, I found the next card. It says, having fun yet, keep going, have no regrets. No, it actually says regrets. The riddle. Riddle number 3. Dogs can speak and humans can talk. I have 4 legs, but I can't walk. What am I? I might need a beer for this one.
Said I might need a beer for
this
one.
I might need a beer for this one. What has 4 legs but doesn't walk? I have an idea.
Do they?
I think something's under the table. Let's crawl in here. Oh.
Jane goes back up.
All right, it's not the table. I have 4 legs. A chair? Maybe under one of these chairs? I'm not getting down there.
There's a lot of chairs.
There's so many chairs.
So many chairs.
There's so many. All right, well, let's go outside. We're gonna look underneath the chairs and tables. That dog's crazy. Nope. You got me crawling around.
You don't have to crawl around.
No, yeah.
You don't have to crawl around. It won't be crawling around. But that was good for the video. I like it.
Got me crawling. All right. I got a little.
Stay over here.
I got a little
Stay
hint.
over here.
It is a chair. It's a chair. I'm looking around for chairs.
These are chairs.
Oh, here we go. I guess that was a freebie. All right. What is always running but never moves, has no mouth, but has a powerful roar?
Am I powerful?
Well, what's always running their mouth? I say you.
It's back here somewhere.
Has a powerful roar. So is the waterfall?
Maybe.
Always running the water. Well, it's running now. Okay. Please don't push me in the water. Oh God. All right, so this is the waterfall. Let's look around back and see what's going on. Oh, I found something. I found something. Oh, okay. Oh man, and apparently I've got to be thirsty. Apparently it's something to drink. I wonder what it is.
First, yeah, open the cooler first.
So it's not a head?
No, it's not a head. You have to drink that.
I have to drink all of this?
You have to drink ice.
Okay, alright, I'm curious. I guess I gotta finish this.
No, you have to, I mean.
No, I don't want to waste it. This is good beer.
Alright, here you go.
I might just make deviled eggs.
Tastes like regret. I see something with a QR code. Get the fuck out of here.
There you go.
I'm not gonna open this box and it's like...
No, it's a real thing.
That's what it is. We're not
Yeah,
messing with it.
yeah, that's a real thing.
What?
You would shut up about it.
What is it?
Oh, it's a wireless charger for the bike.
I said that's why you
Yay!
don't have to buy
Oh.
it.
Yeah. So,
Oh,
now you
man.
have one.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
And
sir.
now you have to help him install his.
Yeah,
so
now
then
you have to install
yours.
I see.
I was like,
I
you
see.
can't have him help you install yours. And not to where he's gonna just be like, fuck you, man.
All right, so we skipped a lot. We've been drinking all day. We did our normal bike modification for 4th of July that's turned into some sort of kind of ritual now, right? We did the grips last year. This year,
tried to do the grips last year. That
oh,
was a hot
we
mess.
tried to do, but we came
was
out
a
with
mess.
something.
That was
So
a mess.
I'll link here if the video's out already. It's probably not. It might be. I don't know. If it's out already, I'll put a link. If it's not out, it'll probably be out next week where we install some items on the bike. But we've just been hanging out.
My flip cup skills are on point. That's right. You're right. My flip cup skills are legendary. Just watch.
This is a game. We are gonna play tug of war flip cup. So there's gonna be 2 shots right there. The tiebreaker is gonna be rock, paper, scissors between the 2 people that have not taken a shot, right? So rock, paper, scissors, and that's how we determine who wins the match.
My skills are cream of the crop. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
You know what I mean?
There is no one that does it better, but the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
Creamer, the cream of the crop. No? My wife's looking at me like I'm crazy.
We gotta get that eye contact.
Oh, we doing
on
back?
here.
Wait, what are we
Yeah.
doing? Backwards or forward?
I'm doing it forward because I want to make sure I got.
No, I can't see. All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
No. I
No,
don't
this
see
is
mine.
gay. No, you gotta go backwards. I can't see you, right?
All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right. You ready? You got some in your eyes. Might
Okay,
distract
I don't
you.
care.
I mean, you're gonna lose anyway.
No, you lose.
All right, ready?
All right.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Damn, that's one, bro. That's one.
Go one.
That's one.
That's go
That's one. Oh, you can turn around like that's gonna make a difference.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's gonna make a
Okay.
difference.
Okay. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, that was a tie.
Okay.
I need to drink a beer.
Oh yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Hey, whoa. Cheers. Okay. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck.
Oh,
Okay.
one.
This is it.
This is the tiebreaker.
Oh goddamn! Get out of here, dog.
Get
Four.
stored
You
down.
don't congratulate
All right.
me.
You don't need to congratulate me because he's gonna lose anyway. So,
Right.
ready?
Hold on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god. Can you guys get it together?
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What?
He beat
What?
you,
What
Kenny.
happened? What happened? Let me.
I lost.
You
Yeah,
lost.
you lost.
You lost. You lost. That's how.
Wait, I thought you
Now he's gonna. That was a mistake. That was.
Cheers.
Oh, wait, I thought you guys were gonna play flip cup to see who had to take the shot.
I just need one more.
Oh, here we go.
God damn
I
it.
got it all.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's it, bro. That's it.
Hey, no. gotta make one more.
No,
You gotta make one more.
That was it. You gotta take that drink, bro. And we win. What happened to him?
Yes,
So
Kenny.
cocky.
I'm still cream of the crop.
Cream of the crop drinking that shit.
There we go.
Oh, what?
There we go.
No.
There we
No. This is. No.
Apparently,
You know what it means?
it's a mother daughter thing.
No.
gonna go bring it down.
So you. All right, let me drink this shot. Cheers.
Drink that shot. Drink that shot. Drink that shot. Drink that shot. Who lost? You did. So what? We
Oh, wait, no.
Do we have to
We
do a
both lost.
tiebreaker? Tiebreaker
No,
round?
we lost. We lost.
This is a tiebreaker round?
We lost.
No. No.
Yeah, no, 'cause she
It's a
lost.
Tiebreaker.
And I lost.
Oh, so you guys lost.
We lost.
Oh.
Losing.
Let's do a tiebreaker anyway.
Do it.
Tiebreaker round.
All right, let's do a tiebreaker. Fill up a shot. What's going on?
I'm tired of whooping your ass in games, so I'm taking a nap.
This guy is ready to fall asleep on the couch. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should go look and see what it took me to get his ass out here to the fucking table.
That's only a one-sided story from,
What's the other
from
side?
the guy writing the history. So
Oh, apparently I'm writing history
Yeah.
because this guy,
yeah, it's not. It's
this
not
guy
true.
can't hang. He tells me all these stories about I used to drink and this and that. I don't believe it.
I was a young man then, but then I'm old, and I don't give a fuck about staying awake that long.
You should stay awake very long, sir.
Fuck
Very
you.
long.
Fuck you.
Kenny, very short.
That's right.
Very short.
My stamina's very short these days.
He cannot make it.
It doesn't mean I whoop your ass.
Fake news. Anyways, it's I don't know what time it is, but we're playing
It's called Incoherent.
Incoherent, a game called definitely an interesting game. So basically, you get a card.
This one.
It looks like this. Hey, red hose. Hey, red hose.
Feet fur.
Huh?
Feet fur.
Hey, you get it? No. Hey, red hose. Hey,
Hairy toes.
hairy toes. Some hag tada. Some hag
That ass.
smack that ass. Oh my god.
I felt for the
Yeah, so we've been playing this game a little bit.
We're doing those ones.
Kenny didn't make it. Man down.
No, man down.
Okay, if you follow me on Instagram,
Go on.
you've probably seen what happened. I tried. He didn't make it.
I wanted to smack that ass,
But
but
anyways, so we're gonna end it here. It was an interesting 4th of July. We had some fun, drank, did some bike stuff,
Oh, I could have helped you.
hung out in the pool. You know, just hung out and did fun shit. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's kind of short probably because I don't think I recorded that much, but we were just hanging out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and had a good 4th of July and stuff and things. And until next time, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Yeah, you were early with that one.
I was.
Jesus,
Sorry.
she fucking jumped on that one. Anyways, like I was saying, hopefully you guys had a fantastic day, all that good stuff. Until next time, peace. What do you think? What do you think,
I
dude?
went swimming.
Did you go swimming?
I went swimming.
Did you go swimming? You went swimming.